Well, hi, Rod. This is my way of answering your question. This layout is one that I did for another client, and I don't remember the paper size. That's not important. Your question was about the labels of these views sent to layout. Well, let me just click on this. I'll go to the Edit toolbar. Let me drag it up here so you can see it. Whenever you deselect something, the Edit toolbar disappears. When you select something, it appears. And so in the Edit toolbar, I'm going to click on Open Object. And you'll notice that the Layout Box Specification dialog has tabs. One for line style. I can change the color. And I'm going to go into, you can experiment with yourself and see what changes. All these black lines here are not going to change if I change the color to red. And just do that. Nothing changed because layout borders are off. On the layout, well, I just go ahead and cover this, and cover it. See, layout box borders are turned off. See, now when I turn that on, now you can see a red border around it because that's what I changed the color of. That's not part of the question you asked, but I might as well cover what's on the layout. Now, I'm just going to click here, go to layout box layers, and I need to go up here. That's right. Turn that layout box layers off. I sometimes use this to give an outline to the views on the layout. Now, we'll open that dialog box again. And I'm just going to turn that back to black. Fill status, I can give that, it's just a polyline, a closed polyline also, and I can give it a fill if I wanted to. Of course, that would be goofy in this case. It's filled with the elevation view, so I'm not going to mess with that. But the label tab is what you asked about. And you can see that the automatic label is checked, and there's nothing there. Now this plan was, I think, made in an earlier version. That might be why there's no text visible there. So commonly what I do is just suppress the label. Let's suppress. I don't think that's going to make any significant changes. No, there's no changes. I'm going to open it up, go to the label tab, and unsuppress it, and specify it. That says front elevation as the text there. Let's see where that appears. Now this elevation, this text here is actually in the view. I'm double clicking on this view here to open it in the plan file from the layout. And you'll notice that I added this text here is added actually here in the view, and these dimensions are part of this view in the plan file. This text here. I'm not going to update this to layout. Well, this isn't a very good example. But this is what I was talking about. You go to the label tab, and that says rear elevation. I don't see that even when it's turned on that it's showing here. It should. I must have turned it off earlier. So again, this text is part of the original view. Let me see if I can find one that works. Again, I'm going to click on the view to select it, open its dialog box, go to the label tab, and those automatic labels are not showing. Fill sticks. It should be down here at the bottom. All right, this isn't a very good example. Sorry about that. See, I didn't pre-rehearse this, so you're getting it raw and so forth. All right, let me open another one. I want to go to my image drive, plans, X5. Find something. This is Richard Rucker, RR, is a local remodeling client of mine. I'm just going to open some of his stuff. Again, this is totally unrehearsed. Let's see. Let me arrange these by date. Okay, there's a layout. I'm just going to skip these error messages. I'm really not interested in that. That's not what the video is about. And click on this view here, open it, go to the label. Okay, it says automatic label, there's no label. Well, that's vexing. Well, I'll tell you what. I guess the best thing to do would be for me to send a view to this layout. Page 4 is blank. I'll open this plan file. See, it's a simple bathroom remodel. And I'm just going to take an elevation camera of the inside there and send that. I don't care about the content. Send it to layout. And I don't want to send, I'm going to uncheck that. Make copy of active layer. So I don't need a copy. And we'll send it, we'll send it 1/2 inch scale to page 4. That was a blank one. And it'll send. And well, I don't see the stinking label. Can't blast it. That was the whole purpose of this video tutorial, is to show you how that works. But it's all on this label tab, and there's no stinking label. What am I doing wrong? Well, let me specify the label. I'm a little mystified. Maybe it is 6 in the morning. It should say elevation 2 underneath it, and it doesn't. I'm going to type in something different. It should say test down here underneath this thing. Well, blast it, it's not working. Heck. Well, this is a big waste of time. It's not working like it's supposed to work on several different plans. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to save that. What's an X5 plan? Yeah, that's a wall elevation I did. Let me just go here and do a new layout. There must be something I'm doing wrong here. New layout. I'm just on a blank thing there. And I'll open this camera here. Okay, send the layout. Yeah, see, it's unchecked. Send it 1/2 inch scale so we can see it. There. There's the label. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Some of those other things I've already edited. I guess that my editing stick. There's the elevation 1 text there. Now you can click on it, open the icon, and you can see it's automatic label. That's just what it was automatically named by the program. I can specify the label and override that and call it, what would I call it? It doesn't matter. Call it test A. So you change that text there. Or I can open it up. What I commonly do is just suppress the label. I guess once it's suppressed, it stays suppressed. I didn't realize that. Let me see if I can unsuppress it and bring it back. Well, now this is working properly. I don't know what was happening with those older files that I opened, but this is how this works. You can specify it. You can leave it an automatic label, or you can suppress the label. All from the label tab in the views, and we're on a layout sheet. See, a 1/2 inch scale. Okay. If that doesn't clarify the answer for you, I can't help you. I don't mean to be sarcastic, but that should totally handle that for you. Okay. Thank you.